Will never think about it, girl, you know I trust you.
Right into my wig cap, placing on top of my head. Yes, I know my braids are on a side part, and this is a middle part wig, but I just sew in, so I'm showing you guys here that the wig is flowy, and then I'm going to take the wig and place it on top of my head. Then I combed through the wig, and then I took my Got To Be Glued and did my edges. Then I took the Got To Be Glued freeze spray.
Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day.
We're living in a fantasy. I feel it when you dance with me. Just feeling like you need to be my baby, my baby.